Good morning, Brazil. We are out here in the dark of the night shooting a cool video, some aux beams. And these are not just regular aux beams. Hold on. These are actually color changing aux beams, which that means that if you flip on the high, you flip them on, they'll be white. Turn them off, turn them back on, they'll be yellow, like a JDM bright, like yellow. And then you flip them again and they'll be like a stock. Holy shit, it's loud. They will be a stock halogen color, but they'll be brighter, obviously. So I'm pretty excited to try these out, but let's get them out. And today we are putting them back in a 2003 Dodge Ram. So let's get these out. Stock gross headlight or fog lights. So these ones are LEDs like you saw already, so we'll put those in. And yeah, it's super easy. Should just be right there somewhere. Yeah, just a twist bulb right there, so it's not that hard. So we'll get that out. Okay. Wow. Oh my. Okay. That's cool. So there's that JDM color. There's stock halogen. And then there's bright LED. That's pretty cool. That's awesome. That's awesome. So there is the JDM Honda Civic lights we installed on his 2003 Dodge Ram. But no, they are awesome. They're actually cooler and way brighter than I thought they were going to be. The LED, the actual LED color one is like miles long. You don't even need brights because that's how bright they are. Like, it's crazy. We'll turn them on in a second. So that's stock. And then one more, and that's LED ones. They're like super bright. Like, people probably think it's like the sun coming up, but it's just us. And there's my truck, like freaking Jurassic Park, gonna attack us. But they are amazing. Buy them. Actually, don't buy them. How about this? How about we give them away? I will send one of you lucky ones a pair of these, and I will tell you in a minute how to win them. Hey everyone, so I'm back and I'm telling you the rules to this game to win a set of these, of the color changing ones. So whatever your vehicle is, tell me your model, make, if you win, model, make, and year of your vehicle, and I will send you these lights. So the rules are on okay, like, share, comment on this video, and also go like the picture I will be posting on Instagram and Twitter. So you have a chance on Twitter and my Instagram. Tag 2 people and I will choose in 2 weeks. So that is the 27th of September. So 27th, which is a Friday, Mountain Time at 5 p.m. I will be announcing who will win this set. So that's all you have to do. Like, share, comment video, and well, you can do, well, actually just do the Instagram or Twitter. So follow me on Twitter, Rikki Diesel, and Instagram, and I will pick a winner at 5 o'clock Mountain Time. And whoever wins, I will DM them and I will get your address and everything, and you will win. And I will send you these for free, some awesome lights. So no purchase necessary. Just tag someone, tag 2 people on Instagram and Twitter, and like and share, comment this video as much as you can. Get this out there. I want to give one of you guys a lucky someone this, and you will love it. So like, comment, share, and tag 2 people on Instagram or Twitter. So get at it.